Let's set up 2FA for Jira. Enabling two-factor authentication with the miniOrange 2FA plugin is a simple three-step process. In first step, select the 2FA methods you want to use. Currently we have enabled mobile authenticator as primary and backup codes as a backup 2FA method. In the second step, you can select the policy to enable 2FA for specific groups or users. To enable 2FA for all users, you can enable this toggle. In the third step, you can choose a platform on which you want to enforce 2FA. Let's log in and see how the 2FA works when a user log in for the first time after 2FA is enabled. Enter username. Enter password. After clicking on the login button, a welcome screen appears, notifying you that your organization has enabled two-factor authentication. Now let's configure 2FA for the user. Click on the Let's Configure Second Factor button. Scan the QR code with a mobile using an Authenticator app. Fill in the input box with OTP from the Authenticator app. Click on Validate code. Now user will need to configure the backup codes. They can download these codes and store them on their device. Click on the Continue button. User have successfully configured 2FA. Let's go to the login page again and see how the login flow looks after successfully configuring 2FA. Enter username. Enter password. Log in to your account. The user needs to validate the 2FA method they have configured before to access Jira. Fill in the input box with OTP from the Authenticator app. Click on Validate Code button. The user has successfully logged into Jira.